Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am talking about the BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette in Galaxy Chic. It is an 18 color baked eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. It comes with a nice little mirror and it comes with 18 colors. I believe they're baked. It's a baked eyeshadow palette. So a little bit about this, just the description. It says look out of this world for our astronomical 18 baked eyeshadows. This Galaxy Chic palette will take you from plain Jane to an infinite trendsetter. Inspired by the moons and planets in the universe, eyeshadows range from hot sun orange to cool earth blue and the colors of the Milky Way. Be as chic as a sparkling star. And the net weight is 1.27 ounces or 35.4 grams. It's made in China, and I believe it's distributed through Los Angeles. So let's try some of these colors on my hand here. I'll go with the first one, Cosmic, over here. It's a nice kind of purpley color. It's actually really highly pigmented because I don't have any base on, just my own skin. Let's try Aphrodite, which is kind of like looks like a burgundy orange shade. It's kind of pretty. It's really pretty. Let's go with Jupiter, which is like almost like a coral pink. And like I said, I'm just doing one swipe, or two swipes actually now, so you can see it a little bit better. And it's on camera, it looks really good. Yeah, it looks really, really highly pigmented. Let's go with some of the blues here. This is Neptune. That is very highly pigmented blue. Blue has always been a controversial color, but I like blue eyeshadow. I think blue eyeshadow is really fun. This one is called, which I'm not sure what this color is going to come out to be because blue and white, so we'll see. It makes, oh, that's actually a really pretty blue. Let's try your Comet. This looks like a nice, almost like, I would say like a Little Mermaid color. Oh, that's really highly pigmented too. Really beautiful. Let's try Mercury over here. I don't know what color this is going to turn out to be. That's actually kind of like a pretty nude. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm going to go back and hit one that I didn't hit, which is Venus. And that's kind of a nice orange. Well, orange has kind of been on trend recently. Reds and oranges for eyes. So let's look at Eclipse, which looks like a nice kind of blacky gray color. It actually comes out more purple color than anything else. Really highly pigmented for the price. It's actually a really good palette. I'm going to try this light blue eyeshadow. My mom always talks about the light blue eyeshadow she wore in the 70s and would never deign to wear that ever again. That's a really pretty blue. Let's try Asteroid because I don't know what color this will be. Well, once again, a little bit kind of purpley black, not a straight up black, but purple, which is nice. You don't always want to go with the darkest color for the crease, and these lighter colors like Cosmic and Milky Way can be your base color, and then you can go in and mix it with, say, you know, something darker, or this can be your base eyeshadow and mix it in with the darker. Start with this dark blue and then even go heavier into the crease with the darker blue. So let's just try a couple other colors. Let's try Mars, which I'm not sure what color this is going to be. Oh, which is once again kind of a purple. Really pretty. And let's try Mercury to cap it off. once again, another nice purple. So all in all, I would say, especially on camera, the colors are really highly pigmented. It's got a mirror, nice little palette with 18 colors. I'd give this a 5 out of 5, especially for the values. Don't take my word for it, try it out yourself, and thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoy.